Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Today is on the 6th of August. Welcome to the Market Brief. My name is Nick. I'm going to be taking you through it. So, we're going to take a look at what happened yesterday. We did a very long analysis yesterday. We did it at, it was almost a 2 hours recording that we did yesterday. We do a 2 hour live trading analysis. We were looking for sales while we were at it. Let me take you back to it. So when we were in that recording yesterday, we were looking for the cells and we entered immediately this candle closed, we entered the cell over here and we pushed down with the cells, pushed down to this point, then the market turned around. Okay, so we didn't really hit the third take profit, we hit take profit 1 and 2, and then it turned over. So the last order that I was holding went back to break even over here, and then I watched the market go all the way up, and by the time it was coming to this point, I think I entered the market. Yes, I entered the market at this point over here. The moment it came back down over here, I took the trade from here, took the buys from this point, and I will just gamble out of it, stop loss below this point, and basically went all the way up. And it was a profitable trade. See the way it went up? Went super. Continued going up, 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 up. I exited at this point when I saw the market tap this area. I exited over here, and something was telling me to take another order, but I decided not to. And yeah, still it went. Look at this, still it went. So that was a profitable trade yesterday. The sales didn't really give us as much as what we wanted. We really wanted to continue pushing down, but yeah, I hope you were able to. I had given you some risk management measures of what you're going to be doing. The moment we were here at 15 minutes, and I was telling you that should this candle, which one? There was a candle that we were looking at, and we said if that candle goes up and breaks the previous high over here up, then we're gonna exit, and that's what basically happened. So we exited the trade, and it went. Euro USD, on the other hand, carrying in our order, the buys did prevail as well. We had the buy. The sales didn't even actualize at all, but the buys on the other side, we had this buy, but they didn't really go up as much, but stayed in within the range, but still ranging as it goes up. It's still bullish range happening over here. Yeah? So that's really good as well from the other side. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do I'm gonna check on this. What we have today. Today is not Tuesday, it is on Wednesday. Thursday. It is on Thursday. Unemployment claims is coming out. Unemployment claims coming out today at 3:30 p.m. That's the only thing that we think could shake the market. We move on to the next level over here. Remove everything. Remove all the drawings over here. And let's jump to it. All right, so we're gonna do a fresh new analysis. But anyway, as we know, EURUSD is just doing its thing. So let's see how it is. I'm gonna do a fresh new analysis on EURUSD, and then we're gonna check it out on what we have next. Right. Right, monthly, weekly highs over there. Weekly lows is over right over here. We have daily high forming over here, 4 hours high as well. Already formed over there. 1 hour. Thirty minutes high. Right over there, 15 minutes. It doesn't really look good, to be honest. To be honest, I'm not gonna trade Zero USD today. I don't like the way it looks. Look at the way it's too choppy, too much happening in this market, man. Too much. It's way too choppy, man. At least the buys could make sense from above this point. Potential buys. The buys could make a little bit of sense over here. But the sells though, I don't really like how they look, but we're gonna take a potential sell below this point. Potential sell below this point. Short position. Probably that's what I could look at in terms of Euro USD. But I don't like Euro USD today. The structures looks really bad. Let's check on gold. Gold, which gave us some good money yesterday. Goro. Give us something today, gold. Give us something over here. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yes. 1 hour, the day weekly highs have been broken over here, which is a good sign. But this candle is still active, so still moving on. So we're still counting this as a resistance level until that kind of breaks above. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, this one, yes. On this side, it has broken. On this side, it has broken. Just a minute. I'll give you a call in a few. On this side, it has broken. Just 1 minute. One minute, guys. All right. All right. So here we are saying that this has been broken. So the up is over here. The down is still over there. So we go move on to 4 hours. Yeah, this is nice. Okay. Well, it's nice because I'm looking at the. Right. Yep. So 30 minutes. Super excited by that, the way the structure is looking over here. So here we go. The 30 minutes high over here. 15 minutes. Same old stuff happening down here over her. All right, I want to break above this point for me to even decide like we're gonna be pushing on for the buys. So potential buys above here. We have potential sells. I'm not gonna touch no sells. Sells below here. Potential. Buys above that point, sells below this point. Put this one over here, wrap it up. Stop loss just below this structure that is formed over here. And see where the market could take us. Could take us all the way up to this point. That's really amazing over here. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be looking at on gold. That's it. It is what it is. That's what I'm gonna be looking at on gold. I'll be looking at a break above that point for the buyers, break below this point for the sellers, and see how it's gonna be behaving. All right. Right, let's keep an eye on that. Trade what you see, not what you think. We have NFP tomorrow happening, and I'm going to be doing it live. I'm going to be posting the link down there. So register, get ready. Let's do it. Get your account ready, funded, and ready. Let's do it. Let's do it. NFP live trading from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. tomorrow. Okay. Trade what you see, not what you think. Bye bye, everybody. Bye.